Folks, today I want to talk about some overlooked Russell 2000 stocks. Now, you're probably asking yourself, Roger, what is this fascination that you have with Russell 2000? Let me explain. And folks, pay close attention. First of all, the Russell 2000 is an index. It tracks 2,000 stocks that are valued between $30 million and about $2 billion. So it has a very wide market capitalization, but I would say most of the companies are about $1 billion to $2 billion range in terms of market capitalization. I would say that the Russell 2000 is more of a medium cap index, not really a small cap, because when people think small caps, they think penny stocks, and the Russell 2000 is not penny stocks. The Russell 2000 holds stocks that are kind of in incubation mode prior to going into prime time, which is the S&P 500. Netflix, Zoom, all of these stocks, Peloton, these were all, or still are for some of them, Russell 2000 stocks. Then some become S&P 500 stocks and some stay within the Russell. Now, what's this big fascination I have with the Russell? Well, the Russell 2000, as you could see here, made an all-time high about beginning of this year. Now, if you look at the S&P 500, it made an all-time high September 2nd, about 8 months to 9 months later. So the S&P continued moving higher, where the Russell peaked out beginning of this year. Now, keep in mind, what's so unusual about it? Well, what's so unusual about it is that the typical correlation between the two indices is about 97%. And if you could see here, lower highs versus higher highs, we haven't had that correlation. Because again, the S&P just peaked out last month. The Russell, first, second month of this year. So again, things have not been going well for the Russell. Why have they not been going well for the Russell? They haven't been going well for the Russell because of the trade war. President Trump wants to go all in with China on this trade war, and companies that are smaller than the S&P 500. S&P 500, you got huge monsters, conglomerates, stocks that have many different industries and market caps, and they have cash, they have dividends. Russell 2000, you've got smaller stocks. Whenever something happens to the economy, the smaller the stock, the more vulnerable the stock, the more injury it has. Just like in COVID-19, if you have a pre-existing condition, if you're more vulnerable, then you are more likely to die in a COVID-19 climate. Same thing for Russell 2000 stocks. The worse something happens, and when Trump put a wet blanket on China, the whole Russell just cooled off. And if Biden wins the election, and right now the market is assimilating a Biden win, the Russell has been outperforming the S&P. If you look closely, you could see here, if you look at the S&P, this is the 50-day moving average. We're literally just like an inch away. We're right there. But if you look at the Russell over the same period of time, you will see that it still has a little bit of a distance and is actually doing a better job of holding on to the highs. See here, this is the all-time high, and it's really close there. The S&P couldn't even make this high. The high that was made on September 2nd is still higher, as you could see here. So the S&P is weaker right now. And also other stocks like evergreen energy stocks, Chinese stocks like Baba. See that? Look at that, lower highs. And look at Baba. Now, this is not a political discussion. I'm not here to tell you who I think should win or who's going to win or what's better for the economy. I'm just pointing out that stocks that are favoring Biden are rallying, and the Russell is outperforming the S&P. Now, here's the interesting part. I did some analysis, and I found that when Russell lags behind the S&P by a certain percentage for over a year, and it's been closely to that time, for the next 3 years, it tends to outperform the S&P. That means there's a really, really good chance. And it doesn't have to be because Biden wins. It could be because if Trump wins and renegotiates the trade war with China. Again, I'm just pointing all these things out. But regardless of which door you go to, Biden wins, Trump wins, the bottom line is the Russell is making headways. And that means stocks within the Russell are really a good stocks to look at right now because they may be making higher highs. And that's why I want to look at a handful of Russell stocks today. So the first stock is Green Brick Partners. Look at this, 1 year return 80%, 5-year revenue growth 225%, land acquisition, marketing and sale of residential projects. Folks, in this COVID economy right now, residential projects are doing really, really well, and commercial projects are doing really, really bad. A lot of the real estate money that's going into the real estate market is moving into residential properties, which is why residential home builders are just doing really, really well right now. Look at this. I mean, let me show you this. That's one thing that I like to show you. I do everything quantifiably. So look at this. Pulte Groups, Lennar, Horton. Look at that. 3 of the biggest home builders, residential home builders, are in the top 500, top 5% of the S&P 500, maybe top 10% of the S&P 500. But look at that. DHI, Lennar, Lowe's, which is, people buy things to build homes, and Pulte, all there. So the bottom line is these residential home builders are doing really, really well. And if you look at the stock right now, and it's a Russell 2000 stock, and if you look at this stock right now, you will see that it's actually trending pretty well. It just made an all-time high a few days ago, and it's doing really well. It's sticking to those high prices. That's ticker symbol GRBK. Next one, EGAN. EGAN Corporation, prepackaged software, also Russell 2000 stock. Look at the 3-year return and the 5-year return and the 5-year. Look at this, 156% this year. Prepackaged software, and again, it's a Russell stock. Social customer interaction applications, contact center applications. That's a cloud company. Cloud is hot right now. Look at the chart of this stock. Take a look at this. You got to see it for yourself. They're looking really, really good, and they're bucking the trend right now. Look at that. Made an all-time high. Looks a bit like it's about to test it right now. Ticker symbol EGAN. Next one, we got Clearfield, CLFD. 1-year return, 78%. 3-year return, 54%. 5-year revenue, 46%. Russell 2000 stocks. Telegraph wireless equipment, very hot. 5G is hot. Fiber management platforms. This is a hot sector right now. Price of the stock, Clearfield Inc. Let's take a look. What do we got here? Again, all of these stocks are making all-time highs or sticking near all-time highs, and they're looking well. Look at this. Made an all-time high, still above the 50-day moving average. If it bounces off this 50-day, maybe a nice pullback buy, just like right here. And again, it's a Russell 2000 stocks. Next one, Goosehead Insurance, 115% this year. Operates insurance agency. Homeowners insurance. Homeowners, people are buying homes. They need insurance. When people buy homes, they also buy cars within 6 months of a home typically. And earthquake insurance, liability, umbrella insurance, Russell 2000 stock. There's a reason why I'm picking Russell 2000 stocks. They're outperforming the market, and the Russell has some pent-up demand in its price. The stock is, look at this, made an all-time high, almost there, minor pullback. Next one, Superior Uniform Group, strong buy. Let's see what the stock does. It's in the apparel, fabric. Right now, retail is hot. 1-year return, 56%. Manufactures and sells a wide range of uniforms, corporate career apparel, accessories for hospitals and healthcare. Healthcare, folks, healthcare, COVID-19, fabric, uniforms, related products, those are recession-proof items. Russell 2000, do you see that? Let's look at the stock, SGC ticker symbol, Superior Uniform Group. Let's look at where it is. Boom, just made an all-time high yesterday. Can't make it up if you tried. So again, these stocks, GRBK, EGAN, EGAN, CLFD, Clearfield, Goosehead Insurance, GSHD, SGC Superior Uniform Group, these could all be the next Zooms, Amazons, and Pelotons. I hope that helps. Folks, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but while some traders have been snagging massive gains, 99% of the world has missed out completely. You see, huge amounts of capital are flooding stock market as we speak, but not from the usual Wall Street suspects, not even close. What could be one of the biggest market shifts in history is taking place right now. And I'm revealing exactly how you can take advantage of it by tapping into the Robinhood effect. The best part? You'll have the opportunity to triple your money by the weekend. I'll only be revealing the strategy for a very, very short time. So make sure that you click on the link below to follow it right now. Get into it right now.